Hey guys, welcome to Mama Tries. And today I thought we would do these cute little lollipops. Now I'm going to use the UV resin for the first layer because I want a little color to these popsicles. And I don't want the whole thing to be color, but I want a bit. So I wanted to do two different ones. Instead of doing all of these, I'm going to do two different ones. And yeah, I'm actually going to have my kids pick out the color. So that way, something a little different. Okay? Christian! Christian! This is what happens when you're a mom. About 5 times in, then they will finally come. Christian! Angel! Hello? Y'all want cookies?
Yeah. You have cookies?
No, I don't have cookies. I just been calling you guys for like 5 minutes.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Also, I forgot the pocket thing and now it's all the way down.
Alright. Well, I told everyone here that you guys are going to actually pick the color for this next one. I'm going to do these little popsicle thingies for keychains. So I need the ice cream popsicle color.
Alright. Chocolate.
Chocolate, so brown.
Yes. Oh, this color.
You want green?
Ooh. Chocolate.
What flavor would that be?
Probably mint.
Yeah. Alright, so we have chocolate and we have mint. So now I have this color to be the little stick, and I'm going to mix that in a separate thing. Puppy, can you go in there? Nope. Maybe the one on the floor. One of the two boxes there has,
Pineapple?
No. You see the box on the floor by your toes?
Yeah.
It's a box that looks like that, but it's not that one. No. In the box that you were in.
Oh. Wait, the box is here?
Okay, it looks like that box.
Oh.
But it's in the box that you were in. Thank you.
Yay.
Okay. Get my little mixing silicone thingies. And now we're going to get started in mixing these colors with the resin.
Can I try?
So I'm gonna have my son do it. I'm gonna pour in the resin for my colors. One of these I didn't clean so well. And so he's gonna help me. Oh, can you get that top?
Yeah.
He's gonna help me by mixing my.
Oh,
really?
I just dropped it again. There you go.
Open hand. There we go. He's gonna mix my little stick thing with this.
So we do it like that? Alright.
Okay, so you're gonna mix that one. Here's your little stick. I'm gonna adjust you guys so we can mix the chocolate and the mint. Okay, so now here's my soft pastel. I'm gonna mix the chocolate in this one. Okay, and the mint in this one. Mint wants to give me a hard time now, don't you? I'm going to mix a little light green, only because I think the hunter green is going to be too dark. And then now I'm going to mix. So now I'm going to spread this inside the mold. Just that way it goes everywhere. And creates a nice little layer there. And apparently I'm going to have to mix a little bit more. So that is all you, dude.
Yeah.
Only because I want a nice little coating down at the bottom there. Alright, here you go.
Yeah.
Mix away. Now I'm going to put a good amount for the little stick. Dang, dude, you breathe heavy.
Me?
Yep. Alright, so I'm going to make this one into like a little solid color thing. Of what, caramel?
Yep.
Okay, hopefully I have enough. Now, finally, I'm going to get a wipey and wipe that.
Alright.
I'm going to mix the chocolate. And that comes out to a nice chocolate color. Alright. Now we're going to pop any bubbles that are here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm not going to cure this 100% because I want a little bit of it to grip into the 2-part resin. So we're just going to go in for a few seconds. So that's cured enough that I'm happy with it. All of this is going to go under the light so that way it can cure and I can just pop it out. In the meanwhile, what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix clear resin to go on top of it. Okay? So, I made the first part. So I'm going to mix probably about 15 milliliters. Okay, there's 15 milliliters.
Can I do that part?
Yeah, but just be careful. Okay?
Uh-huh.
Oh! 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 Okay. Okay. Leave it to my dog to be the one to make the loudest noise in this house. Out of everybody here, Fluffy is the loudest.
There we go.
Okay. So be careful when you're squirting it. Slowly, okay?
Mm-hmm. That much?
No, a little more. A little more. Stop! Alright, there we go. There's the hardener. Now, I said in a previous video that this, like, stinks really bad. But honestly, I think because I wasn't sure what I was getting into as far as the smell, it smelled a lot worse when I first smelled it than it actually does. It is not too bad. Like, I am in my office, which is very well ventilated, but I'm inside the house. So, can't be that bad. Alright, wipe this down really, really good.
Alright.
You're going to need 2 disinfectant wipes for that.
Oh, I thought you were going to use a normal tissue. Because it's good enough normal.
Alright, so now I'm going to mix for 2 minutes, and then we'll be back once I've gotten most of the bubbles popped to pour it in. Okay, so we're fully mixed and incorporated. So now I'm just going to pour it right in. Man, you're breathing as hard as I do.
That's because I'm kind of tired.
Oh, you're kind of tired?
Yep.
Oh, yeah?
Yup. Yup.
Okay. So there's that. Now we're going to pop the bubbles.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that cool?
Mm-hmm. It disappears.
I mean, not all of it has disappeared, but most of it, yeah. The more the bubbles rise, the more you will pop the bubbles with the lighter. So you're going to leave this, and any kind of resin projects that you do, 2-part resin, you want to have at least try to keep it in the mold for 24 hours. So that way you're sure that it's 100% cured, because sometimes if you demold before the 24 hours, a lot of times it's still bendable and you might end up warping it. So you don't want to warp your projects. Try to keep it level, flat, and alone, and allow it to do its thing. Okay, guys? So once this is cured and we're ready to demold, you'll be back with us. All right. Okay, so these popsicle sticks look so cute. Remember, one of my sons picked out mint, the other one chocolate, and we said that this one was going to be caramel. Or caramel. So, oh, dang it. You know what, while I have y'all here, let's put the UV on this side. Because for whatever reason, it did not cure all the way. So this is why we just play around and we test with things. Because otherwise, we'll never learn for next time, you know? That's what I'm all about, is about learning things and trying things you haven't tried before, or trying something different with something that you have done before, just to try it out and see if it works. So that's what's so good about these little boo-boos, mistakes, or whatever you want to call them. Let's keep it this way for a minute, and I'll just chit-chat with you. So yeah, so I've been working on checking off things off my little list of things that I should try doing. If you have any other additional ideas, what you think I should try next, any suggestions that would make something that I've already tried a little bit easier or a little bit better. If you have any recipes you want me to try, I'm willing to try that out. We are also going to be doing some things out in the field, as I say. We are going to go kayaking, and I'm going to take you guys with me and my son Christian's journey on the Weeki Wachee River. So we are going to be doing a tandem kayak, which I've gone kayaking before, but my son has never done it. So this is going to be very interesting, and it's going to be really fun. And we're going with a friend of mine and her son, so it's going to be a lot of fun going out with them. And it's also my son's birthday gift from me, is that kayaking trip and that one-on-one quality time. So we will take you guys out there. If there's any places that's local to Tampa Bay area that you think that we should try seeing or visiting or something, let me know. Another thing that we're going to try doing this summer is we're going to try going to this haunted house over in Brooksville, Florida. It's known as one of the most haunted places in Brooksville, and they do tours during the day and stuff like that. So I figured, why not take you guys along with the journey with me and my sons over to that haunted place. When we do that, I will give you a whole backstory to it of what I found out online, and then we will go and see if we can find any ghosts. So I hope that's something that you guys would be interested in and that you guys would like, because I know my boys are. I drove past the place once before and we were looking at the outside. My kids are like, oh my God, that's so creepy. So it should be really good. If the creep factor is there, it should be really good. I'm just waiting for this light to turn off. I flipped it over just so that way maybe we can get a little bit more on this side because I don't want to lose this. It looks too cute. But I think I know what I did wrong and what I should try doing next time on this, so that's a good. All right, I hope that was enough. Oh, it sort of was enough. It really looks loopy. So I'm just gonna put it under the light, just like that. Hopefully these other ones are not gloopy. No, they're gloopy. Well, I'm just gonna stick it under the light like this and hopefully I'll save it from forever being like caca. Oh, the mince is not that bad. Mince actually came out good. My Christian is like, yes. All right, so I'm going to let those sit under the little UV light, wash my hands and stuff. Make sure that you like this video. Like I said, always subscribe, bring your friends on here, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when I post videos. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.